Huion have just released a brand new updated version of their popular Inspiroy Dial pen tablet called, yep, you've guessed it, the Inspiroy Dial 2. This device has 2 dials on it as opposed to the original device's 1. Does that mean it's twice as good? Well, that's what we're going to find out here today. Inside the box is the tablet. Underneath we find the usual set of goodies, the quick start guide, Huion's PW517 pen, the USB-C cable, and of course the donut containing the spare nibs, 5 standard and 5 felt. Right, let's get started. There's no stand with this tablet, so you'll have to purchase one separately. You also might want to order a cleaning cloth to keep those grubby finger marks away. The first thing you'll notice is the weight of the device when taking it out of the box. It's only 710 grams. The drawing area is 10 by 6, which is a good enough size to work on and is great for transporting from the home to the office. The Inspiroy Dial 2 is quite the cool looking device with its 2 dials sitting at the top and bottom of the left side, separated by the tablet's 6 shortcut keys. The purpose of these dials and keys is to make things simpler and faster for the busy designer and illustrator by making their favourite keyboard shortcuts available at the press of a button or the rotation of a dial. Here's some technical details about the tablet. The device can be connected via Bluetooth or the USB-C cable, just as we're doing here. Plug one end into the tablet and the other end into your laptop. Now for a few test scribbles. The pen is Huion's still fairly new PW517 with PenTech 3 technology. It's nicely designed and feels comfortable in the hand when drawing. It has a nice rubber grip around the 2 customisable buttons, it's battery free, supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60 degrees of tilt. The first thing I did was swap out the standard nib and replace it with a felt one. The drawing experience was very smooth and velvety. It feels like you're drawing with a real felt tip and even makes that squiggly sound. The tablet surface also seems quite scratch resistant too. Here's some more technical details about the pen. The dials are fully customisable in the driver software. Here we're using it to zoom in and out of the canvas in Photoshop. This really speeds up the workflow. The actual drawing area is designated by 4 chevron type icons. Stay within those and you can't go wrong. You'll also notice a small LED on the left side of the tablet halfway down. This is to inform you of the Bluetooth, charge and pen status. If you need to make any changes or updates to the pen or the dials, the next step will be to fire up the driver software. If you've read or watched their previous reviews, then you'll be familiar with the layout. It's logical, simple to navigate, and here you can change the functionality of the dials, reassign shortcut keys, change or customise the pen pressure, update the pen buttons, view the battery life, change the orientation, great if you're a left-handed user, and check for any software updates. You can even change the colour of the driver software itself. Also included are some handy pen presets to use. I don't mess with the settings too much, only maybe to change the pen pressure. I don't press down too hard myself, so I prefer a somewhat lighter touch. I also don't really use the shortcut keys that much, but it's nice to have a quick undo close to hand. I do like the dials though, it is great being able to change the brush size quickly and accurately. I'll leave you now for a few minutes to watch the master at work, so sit back and relax and listen to the music. This is another great tablet to draw with from Huion. I didn't experience any lagging or jittering, and the pen strokes and lines tapered off really nicely. You can produce some quality cartoons and illustrations with this, no problem at all. The Bluetooth range is said to be 5 to 10 meters, but I'm not sure who'll be sitting that far away from the monitor, let alone having a desk that big. After 15 minutes of non-use, the tablet goes into sleep mode to save battery life. Once again, this is another recommended pen tablet from those clever people over at Huion. Novices or professionals will achieve great results with the Inspiroy Dial 2. Another cool feature of this tablet is that you can connect to your tablet via Bluetooth as well. Handy for drawing on the go. That's all for this review. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, tell all your friends, and we'll see you next time.